In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Sounds and Vibration. Now you can tap on Vibration at the top to mute your device completely, leaving only vibration. You can also tap on those two switches to enable or disable Vibrate on ring or Vibrate then ring. When you finished, you can scroll down and stop when you see phone ringtone. Click on it, tap on Vibration effect at the top and pick No Vibration or Standard Vibration by hitting one of those options. Go back, click on Notification Ringtone and access the same section over here. Manage it, and when you finished, go back. Now you need to scroll again, this time to manage those two switches. One next to touch vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more. And vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up. Most people miss that you should also click on Sound above touch vibration, and here manage this option called Charging Sounds and Vibration to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!